Good evening, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about Fortune company startup WePort, a platform that connects every participant in global trade into a single digital network. Currently, global trade moves $13.8 trillion of goods every year, yet the infrastructure behind it still runs on fragmented systems and paperwork. Today, a single shipment requires dozens of documents and coordination between many different organizations. Each group uses separate systems that rarely communicate with one another, creating delays, disputes, and hidden costs across the supply chain. And worst of all, the people physically moving goods, such as port workers, truck drivers, and operators, are often not represented in the digital systems at all. Large companies have attempted to modernize trade infrastructure before, but many projects failed because they required every major player to adopt the system simultaneously. WePort approaches the problem differently. Instead of forcing adoption from the top down, we start at the operational level with ports and workers, allowing the network to grow naturally. As I said before, WePort brings together everyone involved in a global trade into a single platform. Different participants access role-specific dashboards while sharing the same underlying system, removing fragmentation that currently slows down trade operations, which could save billions, if not trillions. The platform combines several tools that currently exist across multiple systems. Cargo tracking records events across supply chain, smart contracts automate payments when deliveries are confirmed, and trade cost engines calculate duties and tariffs instantly. Together, these features allow trade workflows to operate inside one coordinated platform with no fuss, no hiccups, no ifs or buts. To enable secure coordination between organizations, WePort uses XRPL for transaction settlements and smart contracts. This allows payments to move in seconds rather than days while creating a verifiable, intangible record of trade events. Trade and logistics represent one of the largest industries in the world. Even small improvements in coordination and transparency can unlock significant efficiency gains across global supply chains. Our platform currently is free for operational workers to encourage adoption. However, revenue is generated through transaction fees, port software subscriptions, and enterprise analytics services. We have already have a working prototype that demonstrates rural dashboards, smart contract payments on XRPL testnet, and trade cost calculations. The next step is expanding this into real-world port pilots using Docker, XRPL mainnet, ML bottleneck predictions, and public API multi-port, multi-nation React Native mobile apps that are easy to access. To conclude the statement, global trade connects every economy on Earth, but the infrastructure powering it remains fragmented, leading to higher costs in goods that we see right here, from houses to, well, groceries that you get. So WePort is building the digital platform that brings the entire trade ecosystem together. One app, one login, every role incorporated into the global trade network. Thank you.